I literally press the record button and an airplane starts flying by. Literally. Hey everyone, it's Sam, and in this video I'm going to be using these markers, but not all 10 of them. I'll be picking 5 at random, and I'll have no idea what I'm drawing because all of y'all will be choosing what I draw. And by all of y'all, I mean Twitch chat, because this was done on a live stream. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. And if you want to check out future live streams where I do all sorts of stuff, feel free to check out the link in the description. But until then, here is the video. Like, close your eyes. I gotta mix them up first because they were rainbow order. Stop. Okay, fine, you're gonna roll away. No, I'm actually not gonna pick you because you're being a little butt. And this one, and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm feeling like this is the best one out of the entire set. Oh, this is a weird, okay. Okay, this isn't the worst because I have complementary colors and it's also my favorite set. Blue and orange are actually like my favorite set of complementary colors. So yes, it's very like stereotypical male aesthetic. Like, oh, I need to buy some shampoo. Manly shampoo. Ugh. Give me that brown. I don't want no stinking purple. I'm a man. Get your pink out of here. It's like I'm removing the fun rainbow colors, and it's like no pinks in my shampoo. I think I lucked out pretty hard though with the brown, the black, and the gray. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, so these are my color palette. So if you'd like to talk amongst yourselves, I can just ignore the chat. If you guys want to like game plan it, be like, okay, she's got these colors, you gotta pick something like this. Depending on what you guys pick, I might end up tracing just to kind of make things go faster. Thinking giraffe, giraffe, giraffe in the savannah. Okay, I think I immediately found the picture. This almost looks a little bit like a dinosaur. And then little trees in front. That's not fire, those are trees. The giraffe is not on fire. I promise. It's fine. I'm really tempted to just trace it. That'll go so much faster because I'm gonna need a lot of like figuring stuff out for coloring. So what I do for tracing on my computer screen is I don't remove the page, but I like take the page out, turn my brightness up 100%, kind of get the lead really far out, and then this is the part where I will be covering the camera so I can put it up against it and then try and hold really still with my other hand, and if you hear sounds, that's Alex. Put that there, put this there, almost done. Okay. It looks like a cow. We did it! It's just a loose, very, very loose trace. Hard to get a really bad palette, I think, from something like the Crayola 10 Classic. I think if we were doing Copic markers, oh shit, that would have been more of a challenge. I did a 3-color like Copic marker challenge years ago. This one was tough. I got 2 greens, like kind of like a medium green and then a dark green, and then an insanely vibrant orange. Like it looks more dull on the stream. Like the orange is crazy vibrant. Does that kind of look like a giraffe, hopefully, so far? That's the goal today. Make it look like a giraffe. Pick up that spare graphite. Beautiful, now you can definitely see the giraffe on my paper. I think it looks even more like a giraffe now that I've completely erased it. Alright, so this is not the sky. I know it looks like the sky, but it's not. This is a very strategically placed mountain. And hey, I mean, if in the end it looks like a sky, like, whatever. As long as it looks like a giraffe, like, that's all that matters, right? They need to make these caps, like, double-sided, so if I shove it in the wrong way, it'll still work. Or at least make it obvious. Like, from sitting on the table, can you tell which side is the one that you put the marker in? No, oh, it was that side. Did you guess this side? Well, you were wrong. Look at these, totally not sky. You're like, wow, that definitely doesn't look like a sky. And I'm like, I know, that's what I've been saying. You weren't listening to me. I'm already being tortured with this background more so than anything at this point, but we'll see how I feel when I get to the giraffe. And I'm like, oh shit, there's supposed to be a giraffe in this picture. Wait, what? Look, I'm almost there, okay? It's gonna be beautiful. You're gonna be like, wow, I'm so glad that I stuck around and like waited for this beautiful giraffe with mountains in the background. It's Background is so shit. Alright, there we go. Close enough. Listen, the giraffe is gonna get done, and then it's gonna just make everything look fantastic, and you're gonna be like, oh, okay, totally worth it. I should've just made it sky. That was a mistake. Oh, this black is dead too. Forgot about that. All my colors are dead. When I look at it tiny on screen, it's like, you know, it's not awful. It's not like the worst thing I've ever seen in the world. I mean, even in the end, if I don't like it, then who cares? Like, it's still fun. The shadow is tricky. Hold on, let me do a color pick real quick. Alright, where are we at with colors? That is extremely gray. That is the grayest shadow in the world. Look at that. It is just stuck. It's like stuck over here. Oh my god. That is crazy. That's why I was confused. I was like, is that a warm shadow or a cool shadow? It's neither. Look at you picked gray. I have the perfect color. And I know it looks a little bald right now. There will be hair. Don't worry. It's not a bald giraffe. Not that there's anything wrong with a bald giraffe. Does it look like a giraffe? It almost looks like a goat now. I wonder if I should go orange with the tree and then brown for the branches. Or orange? Orange. Am I doing a dumb thing again? Am I pronouncing stuff weird again? Listen. You can take your pink and get out of here. I should do more of these, like, just I don't care sort of Crayola pieces. Oh, is it cheating if I grab them? Because it's technically the same colors. If it was the pink one, then I would say it's cheating, but these are technically the same color, so. Just in case, alright? I feel like this is totally valid. You know the answer. Right, the answer is no, because there is no cheating in art. Thank you. Very true. We could learn from your wisdom, Donnie. Strategically just go through this orange that I plopped down and made life for me more difficult than I needed to. Have I drawn a giraffe before? I feel like I must have. But I can't remember a time where I did. This might be my first time drawing a giraffe then. See, I have an excuse now if it doesn't turn out good. I need to like emergency order some more gray. This is gonna look so weird. I really want to use yellow right now and I cannot. This is really upsetting. I just want all of you know that I'm really upset. Hopefully this is starting to look more like a giraffe though. Oh, I should go back and finish these eyes. Oh, the eyes are super important. I have like 20 minutes left and I haven't done anything with them. So I'm gonna definitely not cheat and I'm gonna use this to kind of outline the eyes here. Also, it does look really weird without the hair. I think it's gradually getting there. Oh no, and I covered up the nose. I don't remember where I drew the nose. Oh, nose. The little branches, I guess, of it's supposed to be a tree in the front. I know you're like, wow, yeah, that's what I thought. Well, okay. I dropped the marker. That's there forever now. Gotta just Bob Ross it. There. That kind of looks like little tree thing. Using the side of the marker is so helpful. Actually, the brown might work. I haven't really used the black that much. I'm not gonna get the chance to draw this giraffe. All y'all being like, yes, draw a giraffe. And I'll be like, okay. And then you're like, nah, just kidding. We changed our mind. Bruh. There we go. I think it was a good idea to add some of that orange into the neck. This background is such trash. I should have just done the background after the giraffe. Oh well. Beans, yeah, I know. Remember that? Yeah. Definitely wasn't a detail I forgot to draw in. It's a fiery mane. I don't know if I just kind of extend it. Then it's like a light orange. So it's kind of like, oh, a little highlight thing. Like the sun's hitting it. The giraffe's like not awful, so I want to fix the background. Like it's not ideal, but it's not awful. It does look blue though. Doesn't it kinda? I feel like the giraffe just sort of like stops and there's a tree. Let me bring down the gray. I swear I'm almost done. I mean, I'll probably fiddle with the backdrop off stream because it's terrible. The giraffe came out way better than I was expecting. Did I say giraffe weird too? Giraffe? Giraffe. Listen, I have my own dialect, okay? It's called Awesome Dialect, and apparently none of you speak it.
Wow, you guys don't speak the Awesome Dialect? Just losers.
Do I say it with a D? Giraffe.
No, you don't.
Giraffe. Giraffe. No. Everything I say is just being nitpicked now. Oh, bummer, I want to speak awesome. You can start practicing. You gotta be like, pink, pitcher.
Oh yeah, pitcher. She totally does that one now.
Yeah.
That's a legitimate criticism, guys.
No, it's not! I felt so validated when I watched that like linguistics video and the chick was analyzing various southern accents. And pitcher was in it, and I was like, yes, thank you. Other people say pitcher to mean like photograph. Now I'm scared.
I thought we were talking about the beverage container this entire time.
That's a pitcher!
Wait, what's the difference?
I feel like I need one more. One more spot. And then I'll do Nina's thing. And I'll end the stream. And then like magically when I post the art later, the background will be better. I shouldn't make promises I can't keep. Alright, that's kind of effectively the giraffe. But hopefully y'all like the giraffe. I'm just trying to like desperately smooth this out. This side looks way better. Gotta dab. Make the art look fab. Alright, don't think about it too hard. Hope you have an awesome rest of your Sunday, awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you all Friday. Bye bye.